Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you how I use these spices to do deep condition that's going to help you to promote your hair growth, help you to grow out your hair, and help you to deep condition your hair and make your hair softer and longer. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So here I have my fenugreek seed, I have cloves, I have rosemary, I have lavender seed, I have flaxseed, I have shea powder, I have amala powder, black seed, pumpkin seed, sunflower seed, moringa seed, neem powder. Okay, and I also have star anise, and I'll also be adding this hibiscus, as well. So I use these ingredients to make a very potent hair growth oil. The oil is in the channel, please do well to check it out. Your hair is going to grow. The client I use this oil to make, these spices to make her hair, sent me a message that her front edges is coming back little by little, so it's working amazing on her hair. So I blended this off camera and I'm going to show you guys how the blended one looks like. This is what it looks like. So I use this oil to make a DIY hair growth oil, these spices to make a DIY hair growth oil. It's in the channel, do what you check it out and know the oils I use in this Ayurvedic powder. Okay guys, so please bear with me. So I'm just mixing everything together because I added the blended spices, which was the moringa, the neem powder, and the shea and the other ones that are blended. Okay, when I did this oil, I found out that shea powder is not meant to be on your scalp, so I feel it's depending on the person's scalp. Like 2 people said it in my comment section that the heart of shea powder is not always good for scalp. It blocks your pores in your scalp. Well, I feel it depending. I'm using shea powder on my hair and it has been doing amazing on my hair. So I soak this overnight. Okay, and this is the paste I have. I just added small and I use warm water, I soak it overnight, and this is the paste I have. Okay, everything is all melted. Then I'm going to be using this, my deep condition. Okay, this mega growth deep condition. This is just like a lazy deep condition when you don't have any, when you don't feel like doing a lot of things on your hair. You just want to add spices and the product deep condition. You just mix combo, like mix this and you get this. Sometimes you are lazy to do some things on your hair. This is gonna help you out. You're gonna achieve amazing result when you mix Ayurvedic spices, okay, in your product deep condition. It boosts the deep condition. I don't know if that makes sense. All right, so I'm going to be adding my pure almond oil inside, okay, because I don't want this to dry out on my hair. I want every moisture to retain on my hair. So I'm going to be using this as my oil. I just added 1 tablespoon of this. I am also going to be mixing it as well. You make sure you mix as you add you mix. Okay, so I noticed that the consistency is a bit watery and I didn't want something too watery. Okay, so I'm going to be adding more of neem powder inside. Okay, I added neem powder. I did not measure it, guys, so I just add as the spirit leads me. Okay, so I added neem powder inside, and I think I added moringa as well as the spirit leads me as well. So I just added those two to make it a little bit thicker, so that when I'm applying it on my hair, it's not going to get so messier. So if you're watching this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. All this Ayurvedic powder or Ayurvedic ingredients I use is so good for hair growth. You need to try it out. Moringa has amazing benefit, so as neem, so as the rest of the spices I use, they have amazing benefit for hair growth. Okay, so this is ready and this is my hair. I washed my hair and it's time for application. So my hair is washed previously, so what I do sometimes right now is wash my hair maybe a day before I add a deep condition. Okay, so right now I'm going to be hydrating it before I apply the deep condition. I'm using warm water to hydrate my hair first before I apply the deep condition on my hair, and I'll also be sitting on my hot cap. Okay, but if you don't have a hot cap, you can just leave it on your hair for hours. Okay, so sometimes I sit on hot cap, sometimes I don't sit on hot cap. It just depends on how I feel that day. But this particular ingredient, I want it to really penetrate inside my hair. That is why I'm sitting on my steaming cap. All right, so if you have like a hot towel, that one too can work. Yeah, so I just hydrated my hair and I'm going to be applying this everywhere on my hair. I'm also going to be concentrating on the root of my hair. As I said earlier on, this 2 months challenge we are on, it's me concentrating on the tips, on the tips of my hair. Yes, like the ending part of my hair, that older part of our hair. Yes, so I'm going to be concentrating more on that place because I want that place to be stronger. I want the length to be there when I have loosed the hair. I don't want any knots or any tangles on my hair. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. When you're going to be trying this recipe, I am serious, guys. This recipe is so amazing. Okay, it's so amazing. I always change up my deep condition anytime I'm doing my wash day. I don't like doing same deep condition, so I spice it up a little bit, and this one is so good. You need to give it a try. It can be a bit messy, guys. I'll show you guys what I mean by when it's messy. Okay, so please do this in your bathtub or in your bathroom, or you can put something on the floor, and when it drops on that place. Okay, so as I said, I'm concentrating more at the tips of my hair. Okay, so as you can see, I'm pressing it down right there. When I apply, I press it down at the tips of my hair. That's what I am doing. So my loves, I'm done applying this all over my hair, and this is what it looks like. I'll be showing you guys in a bit what it looks like on my hair. Everything is all applied. Don't worry, don't be scared. It's going to rinse out. Okay, it's gonna rinse out. So this is how it looks like on my hair. I am loving the feeling of my hair right now. Just imagine when I am done. So this is just the first. Look at the smile I got. So I'm done with this, and this is what I mean by it's a bit messy. You can see the floor everywhere is all messed up, but I'm just gonna clean it out. So I am sitting down on this my steamy cap. I'll sit down here and I'll put myself on timer, and after the timer I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so if you watched this essence, thank you so much for watching. Please watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share your beautiful comments. Will you be trying this Ayurvedic deep condition or not, or have you tried it before? Let me know. I'd like to know that in the comment section. So I'm timing this for like I think 40 minutes or thereabouts. I think that is 45 minutes. So that is 45 minutes because it's backwards. Yeah, 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, I will show you guys what my hair looks like. So this is after 45 minutes and my hair, it's all done. Okay, it's all hydrated. Like, yo, did you see that? Did you see it's like, I love the feeling of doing a hot deep condition on the hair. Okay, like there's a unique feeling to it. So I'm just going to be rinsing it out, okay, from my hair. I rinsed out and it came out. All right, so after this I follow up with my normal condition. I always follow up with condition after I do a deep condition. That is how I do my routine. Yeah, so if I do a deep condition, I follow up with normal condition to seal everything in. So thank you so much for watching. If you watch this extent, this is what my hair looks like after I have done everything. I love the feeling of my hair. My roots felt so hydrated. My roots felt so soft, and the ends of my hair felt so amazing. I love this. Okay, can you see that? Can you see the coils? The coils are popping, baby. Yeah, so I love how my hair is feeling right now. So are you gonna try it? Let me know, and I'll see you all my besties in my next video. Bye for now. See the hair. See the hair, babies. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.